Ever wondered about the surprising health benefits of celery seed? This humble spice, often overlooked, is a culinary marvel with a rich history. From flavoring soups and salads to its significant role in herbal medicine, celery seed has been a silent contributor to our well-being. Its distinctive flavor profile, slightly bitter yet warm and aromatic, can elevate any dish. But the intriguing world of celery seed isn't just about taste, it's also about wellness. Let's dive into the world of celery seed and discover its health-boosting properties. So, what makes celery seed a powerhouse of health benefits? Well, let's dive right in. Firstly, celery seed is loaded with compounds that have anti-inflammatory effects. This means it can potentially reduce inflammation in the body, offering relief to those with arthritis or joint pain. But that's not all. Celery seed is also a known carminative, which means it can help alleviate bloating, gas, and indigestion, making it a great natural digestive aid. Now let's talk about heart health. Some studies suggest that celery seed may help lower blood pressure levels. Not only that, but it could also help regulate cholesterol levels. Both of these factors contribute to overall heart health. Moving on, celery seed is also rich in antioxidants. These antioxidants help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are harmful compounds that can lead to various diseases. Furthermore, celery seed acts as a natural diuretic, promoting urine production and aiding in detoxification. This, along with its ability to support liver health, makes it a great addition to any detox regimen. But wait, there's more. Celery seed may also aid in weight management due to its diuretic and digestive properties. And let's not forget about bone health. The minerals in celery seed, such as calcium and magnesium, are known to contribute to bone strength. It's amazing how such a small spice can pack so many health benefits, isn't it? With all these potential benefits, celery seed is definitely a spice worth incorporating into your diet. Now that you know about the health benefits of celery seed, how can you incorporate it into your diet? Well, it's surprisingly simple. You can sprinkle celery seed into pickles, coleslaw, or salad dressings for an extra burst of flavor. It's also a delightful addition to soups and stews. To preserve its flavor and potency, keep the seeds in a cool, dark place, ideally in an airtight container. With its unique flavor and numerous health benefits, celery seed is a spice worth exploring. So, there you have it, the surprising health benefits of celery seed. This tiny, flavorful spice packs a punch not just in your dishes, but also in promoting your wellness. From its anti-inflammatory properties to its role in heart health and digestion, celery seed truly is a hidden gem in the spice world. Give it a try in your next meal and experience its unique flavor profile. Remember, a small spice can make a big difference in your health. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring.